So this is just a quick little video on how best to transplant leeks. So when transplanting vegetables, usually the last thing you want to do is cause any root disturbance. You want to get the soil all around the root and put the whole thing in the ground without disturbing those roots. With leeks it's entirely different. So what you want to do, if you've grown them in a pot like this, you can sow them direct, by the way, but most people do it this way, is literally get rid of all the soil around the root, and you want to separate each leek so there's no soil at all, and you've just got the green stem, the shoot and the root. So you've got all the roots at the bottom there, and you just want to get your fingers in there and shake it and play with it until all the soil comes loose. And then you get ones that don't look particularly healthy and you can just discard them, or really thin ones, you can get rid of them as well. Then it's just a case of gently prising them out like that. So you're left with a nice root and a nice looking leek. Okay, so what you're going to need now, I've separated them and I've got all the best ones there. You're going to need a dibber or something to poke a hole in the soil, and you're going to need some water. So all you're doing is, with your dibber, you're making a big hole like that. Now what I like to do is get the roots between my finger and thumb and just twist it a little bit to form a point. That way it's easier to put it in the hole, and you just dangle it down as far as you can go, twist it in there. So it's well below the soil level, and just water it in. And I just like to cover it a bit with soil and push it in. And by watering the root in, it disrupts the soil in the hole, and it gets nice and compact around the root. And some people like to snip the third off the top of the greens. They think that creates a better root system. Others like to leave it. I must admit that I've done both methods, and I've found no difference. So it's entirely up to you. Keep it well watered because the root system's quite shallow. Watering a couple of times a week, maybe a little bit more in hot weather, and they grow themselves, so you should be having a nice harvest. And you can obviously keep these in the ground as well, and just pick them as you need them. Okay, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.